deductions in your income tax. Right? So we have covered the 5 topics of your or the heads of your income. What are the 5 heads of income we have? One is income from salary, income from house property, income from business or profession, good income from capital gains, income from. So you are very clear with the 5 heads of income. So with this 5 heads of income, when we add together, that is known as your GTI. What is GTI? Gross total income. So when an individual is calculated with your gross total income, the next step what we have to do is we have to go for the claim of your deductions. So what is deduction? What do you mean by deduction? It is nothing but business expenses that you claim on your tax. So what is the section of your deductions? 80. So that 80 covers the many number of your deductions. That is given in a short way like this: deductions for payment and deductions for income. It is divided into 2, and they have given it starts with 80C and it ends with 80U. So we have n number of your deductions. So what is the purpose behind your deductions? It is given very clearly in this PPT. So main purpose behind your deduction to encourage your savings. Another one is for certain personal expenditure. Then for socially desirable activities, that is your charities, donations, relief fund, etc. And then for physically disabled persons. So when your savings or an investment, when it becomes compulsory, we will not be an investment. So when it is given like this for claiming as a deduction from your income tax, automatically each individual will be ready to invest. So that is the concept behind your deductions, and we will be seeing one by one what are the deduction sections we have, and finally when we understand what is the basic rules behind your deduction. As I said to you, it starts with section 80C and ends with 80U. And these deductions are to be allowed only if the assessee. Who is an assessee? The person who is paying the tax. Good. So that assessee claims these and gives a proof of the such investment and expenditure and income, automatically he can get the deductions. Okay. We will be discussing more about your slab rates also, so that we can understand how to calculate the gross total income. Here it is given with how to save tax on your salary income in India. You have your salary income, right? Not the business people. They are telling about the salary income. For your salary income, who will be filing the tax? Your employer. Employer will be filing tax on behalf of you. Okay? You are the employee. Your employer will be filing the tax. So for that salary income people, we have the deductions numbers it is given to you. Here they are discussed about your 80C. See, what is first one is your 80C, that is related to your life insurance premium. You will be paying your premium. Father and mother will be paying your life insurance. Are they paying? What is the purpose? Accident coverage will be there. pension scheme. All these schemes we will be regularly contributing yearly once. For all these things we will be getting the deductions under your gross total income. So this is the best benefit which is given by our government, Indian government, for your payment of your tax, so that your tax payment will be reduced to nil. What are the middle class people in this budget, particularly in your 2024-25, they have given a best star grade, so that the middle class people, they can avoid the deductions as well as they can reduce their payment